Hey guys, in today's video, we're going to show you how to connect your Nanoleaf lights, including shapes, elements, and lines, to your Smart Assistant devices. This will allow you to control your lights with voice commands. We'll start by showing you how to connect to Apple HomeKit devices with Siri. Next, we'll cover the Google Home app to connect to your Google Nest devices. Then, we'll cover the Google Assistant app, followed by Amazon Alexa, and lastly, Samsung SmartThings. Alright, we'll start by showing you how to connect to HomeKit and Siri. You'll need an Apple HomeKit device that acts as a home hub, such as a HomePod, HomePod Mini, Apple TV, or iPad, as well as your Nanoleaf light. Make sure that your Nanoleaf device is connected to power, and that your HomeKit device is connected to your smartphone. Open the Home app and tap the plus symbol at the top of the screen. Tap Add an Accessory and enter the pairing code for your Nanoleaf device. For shapes and elements, this can be found on the back of the controller and power supply. For lines, it can be found on the back of the processor. You can either use the camera to scan it or manually enter the 8-digit pairing code. It'll take a moment to connect, then you can pick a room location for the light. After that, you can give a custom name to your Nanoleaf light, which can be used for voice commands. Once you've entered a name, tap Continue, then Done, and your Nanoleaf device will now be connected to the Home app and Siri. If you want to use voice control for scenes in the Nanoleaf app, start off by opening the app. From the main dashboard, tap the 3 dots at the bottom right side of the screen, then select Settings, and ensure that Scene Sync is on. Then, you can activate the scene through voice control. Say, "Hey Siri, activate Northern Lights." If you have multiple homes or rooms, specify by saying, "Hey Siri, activate Northern Lights in my home," or whatever your home or room name is. You can change to solid colors by saying, "Hey Siri, make my lights pink," or any color you can think of. To change the brightness, say, "Hey Siri, dim the lights," or "Hey Siri, make my lights brighter." You can control it by percentage by saying, "Hey Siri, make my lights 50%. Next, we'll show you how to connect to Google Nest devices, such as the Google Home, Home Mini, and Nest Audio. You'll need your smartphone, your Nanoleaf light connected to power, your Google Home Hub device, and the Google Home app. Once you're ready, open the Google Home app. At the top left of the screen, tap the plus button, then Set Up Device, followed by Works with Google. Then, select Nanoleaf Smarter Series and select it. Click Allow on the following page, then choose the device you want to connect, and tap Next. After that, you can choose a home to control the devices from. Then, you can choose a room for your lights. Once you've done that, click Next. And now, you have voice control of your Nanoleaf lights. To turn the lights on or off, say, "Okay Google, turn on the lights," or "Okay Google, turn off the lights." You can adjust the brightness by saying, "Okay Google, dim the lights," or "Okay Google, make my lights brighter." And to change the brightness by percentage, say, "Okay Google, make my lights 45%. Now, if you're using the Google Assistant app, tap on your username icon at the top right corner of the dashboard. Scroll down and select Home Control. Then, tap the plus button at the bottom right to add a device. Search for Nanoleaf Smarter Series. Then you'll be redirected to a login page. Enter your Nanoleaf account info, then tap Allow to let Google control your Nanoleaf devices. Tap Back at the top left corner, and you'll notice that your Nanoleaf device is now connected. If you tap on it, you can give it a nickname for voice commands. Now, you can speak directly into your phone by saying, "Okay Google," and giving a command. To change the color, say, "Okay Google, make room lights turquoise." To change the brightness, say, "Okay Google, make room lights brighter," or "Okay Google, dim room lights." And then you're good to go on Google Assistant. If you're using Amazon Alexa, open the Alexa app and tap the Devices tab at the bottom, followed by your Smart Home Skills. Tap Enable Smart Home Skills at the bottom, and then look for Nanoleaf in the options. Select it, then tap Enable to Use. You'll then be redirected to a login for your Nanoleaf account. Enter your info and tap Allow to let Alexa control your device. Tap Close, and then Discover Devices. Alexa will then look for devices to connect to. Once it's complete, tap Done at the bottom. If you tap Lights in the Device tab, your Nanoleaf lights should now be connected through Alexa. Now, if you want to use voice commands, tap the button at the top of the main menu, then say Alexa, followed by a command. To turn the lights on or off, say Alexa, turn on the lights, or Alexa, turn off the lights. And again, you can adjust the brightness by percentage. So you could, for example, say, Alexa, make the lights 75%. And now you're all good to go on Alexa. Lastly, if you're using Samsung SmartThings, open the SmartThings app and tap the plus to add a device at the top right corner. Scroll down and select Lighting. Scroll down again and select Nanoleaf, then tap Nanoleaf Smarter Series. You'll be redirected to the Nanoleaf account login page. Enter your account info, then press Login. On the next page, tap Allow to let Samsung control your devices. Tap Done when your connection is established, then tap Done again at the bottom right corner. Press the back button until you reach the main dashboard, and now you're good to go on SmartThings. If you're on a Samsung device, you can use voice control with Bixby. You also have the option to connect SmartThings with Google Assistant or Alexa. Tap the menu button at the bottom right, then tap Voice Assistant. You can then connect to either of the two apps and use the same voice commands mentioned in the previous sections. And that's how you connect your Nanoleaf lights to smart assistants. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to the channel for all the latest Nanoleaf related videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.